This video will guide you through the process of cleaning and maintaining the Smeg Tumble Dryer to ensure it continues to operate efficiently and safely. These simple maintenance steps take only a few minutes and can significantly enhance your dryer's performance and longevity. After each drying cycle, it's essential to check and clean the lint filter. This is typically located just inside the door or along the edge of the drum. Remove the filter, open it, and clear away any accumulated lint or fluff. This is a quick task and promotes proper airflow and helps to prevent overheating. For condenser and heat pump models, the water tank collects the moisture extracted from your laundry, and this is located at the top left of your tumble dryer. Pull the tank forward, empty the contents into the sink. And whilst most machines will alert you when the tank is full, regularly emptying it will ensure a smoother operation. Some models offer the option to connect a drainage hose directly to your household plumbing, ideal for frequent use or installations where manual emptying is inconvenient. To see how to do this, consult the instruction manual for your tumble dryer. It is also important to clean the moisture sensor, which detects the progress of the drying. Over time, this can become coated with fabric softener or detergent residue, affecting its accuracy. The sensor can be found directly underneath the lint filters. Wipe it gently with a damp cloth or a soft cloth moistened with white vinegar. Avoid using abrasive materials that could cause damage. Approximately once a month, or more frequently with heavy use, the condenser unit should be cleaned. This component is located behind the panel at the base of the tumble dryer. Using the brush provided in an up and down motion, clean the condenser plates. You can also use a vacuum cleaner with a brush tool to do this. Keeping this part of the machine clean is essential for maintaining energy efficiency and ensuring effective drying performance. From time to time, it's also advisable to wipe down the inside of the drum and the door sill with a damp cloth. This helps maintain freshness and prevents the build-up of unpleasant odours. If your Smeg Tumble Dryer includes a dedicated maintenance or drum cleaning cycle, it can be beneficial to run this occasionally. This helps to remove any residual laundry products and keeps the appliance fresh and hygienic. Taking care of your tumble dryer with these simple steps helps it stay efficient, reliable, and ready for everyday use. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to find out more, please subscribe to our channel.